So there's javelinas here, and I'm legit kind of scared because I don't know what to do. Like, will they attack me? Oh my god. Dude. It's like Pumbaa. There's like a whole crowd of them. Okay, I gotta leave here because I don't know what to do with them. But let me try and get a better video from you. Oh my god. Oh, that's so scary. Dude, they're so freaking big. Come on, show up on camera. Holy crap. Oh my god. So I've never seen these. I've seen a lot of wildlife. These things are fucking huge. Okay, that's enough. Like, hopefully, I know what to do with coyotes. He looks kind of scared of me, right? No. Oh my god. There's like a whole family. Guys, they could totally eat me. Okay, we gotta go.